In this video, we are going to look at how we can find the indefinite integral of x times e power x dx. So to do this, we are going to use what we call integration by parts. So integration by parts, the formula is the integral of u dv is equal to u v minus the integral of v du. So this is the formula we are going to use so that we'll be able to find the integral of x times e power x dx. Now, in this formula, you can see we have u, we have v, we also have du. So how do we determine these values? So we're going to start with identifying u. So in this case, our u is going to be x. So u is equal to x. So if you find u, you can now find du. So how do you find du? To find du, we must integrate u, of which we are going to say du is equal to, so the integral of this x, it's just a 1 because to give us a constant, so we are going to have 1 dx. Then we are going to find dv. So dv is the remaining function. In this case, we have e power x. So this is our dv, e power x. When you find your dv, should now find what? The v. So how do we find the v? We integrate dv. So the integral of e power x is just the same e power x. This is what you should know. Okay, to get du, you must differentiate u. To get v, you must integrate dv. Then we are going to substitute these values in our formula. So here we are going to write the integral of x, then e power x dx is equal to, so in this case our u is x and our v is e power x minus the integral of our v. As you can see, our v is this one, which is e power x, then times, what is our du? Our du is just 1 dx, of which we can just write dx. So from there, what are we going to do? So from there, we are going to write x times e power x minus, what is the integral of e power x? Is just the same, e power x. Okay, then plus the constant. So this is our answer. Okay, so I've answered our question 1.